Hi Sagittarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Sagittarius, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys, we are picking these cards, guys. If you like this reading and if it resonates, Sagittarius, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And I have a pick a card love reading right after this general energy, so that reading may clear your doubts or answer some questions you have in your mind about your circumstances, guys. So you can stay tuned for that, guys. Sagittarius. So let's start with these cards. We have Five of Moons in reverse, Lady of Suns, and Seven of Stars. So, in your circumstances, guys, Sagittarius, it may be in your work situation or it may be in your relationship. So, today, in your situation, guys, you have hope and plans for your future. You are planning something big for yourself. You are thinking about the ways to achieve your dreams and goals, and you are someone who is who is really strong willed and determined. So you are working towards a brighter future or for some dreams and goals. You have in your life some aspirations you want to reach, achieve for yourself, and ambitions. You are someone who is really ambitious, guys. So you are making efforts to reach those dreams and goals. And this person you are in relationship with, guys, maybe they are a truly loving, caring person. They are someone really nurturing and sweet, and they love to be with you, and they are guiding you on certain things, and they are your greatest inspiration. You feel really inspired when you are with this person. So with their knowledge, skills and talents, they are guiding you in your career situation, giving you ideas what needs to be done and what will be the right choice for you. And you feel really wonderful, happy to be with them, happy to be sharing this dream with this person. And you have clarity in your heart today, guys, regarding the choices you need to make, and that may be the reason you are moving towards impossible dreams. So very positive, unexpected positive changes are coming towards you, guys, and you are really happy, content, and that sense of completion is what I see with these cards, Sagittarius. And maybe for some of you, you are celebrating this happiness with friends and family. And maybe you have, if you were not in speaking terms with someone close to you, if you were avoiding someone, that person is coming to you. You are mending the situation, making amends, apologizing for each other's mistakes, and you are back with some kind of a reunion today, guys, Sagittarius. So that is what I see with these cards, Sagittarius, for your daily reading. Please stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. so that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading, guys. So after a few seconds, guys. Okay, guys, so now let's start the reading. So for those who chose the first card, I will keep the second card aside. For this card, we will see what it is. It is the Little Mermaid, sacrifice. So when you get this card in a reading, guys, it just means that you are on the way to make an enormous sacrifice. You are considering, maybe, and you are restricting your true voice. You are not speaking what you truly feel, and you are doing that in order to gain that acceptance from someone or avoid conflict. And you are giving up your emotions, maybe trying to fit yourself in your circumstances, in your environment. And maybe it is totally uncomfortable for you, painful for you, and you are feeling really heavy, ill at ease. You don't know what to do. You feel really uncomfortable and not at home and feeling really awkward, making these changes that are not true to your emotions or true to your heart. So instead of making such sacrifices which are really painful for you, which are not what you are trying to change yourself to something which is not the truth, guys. So this self-sacrifice is only taking you towards more pain and sadness, and maybe in the long run you may yearn the other person's pity but never love. So you need to understand that you should never deny your heritage, your talents, skills, and your abilities, your beautiful abilities. That is what is going to make you more lovable and true to yourself. So trying to change yourself is not going to help you in any way, guys. It is going to create more pain for you, and that is not the truth. You are trying to live a lie, so that is not going to take you anywhere, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys. So we should stand for the truth, what we honestly are, and when we build our relationship on that honesty, it is going to work. But when we change ourselves to something which we are not, and when we build that relationship on that lie, that relationship will move towards pain and more sadness, guys. So that is the reading with this card, guys. So let's see what is the second card. So for those who chose this card, the second card, it says courage. So with this card, it just means self-determination and conviction, having confidence in ourselves and standing for what we truly believe in. So standing firm for ourselves does not mean controlling or ignoring others, but for determining what is not up for negotiation. So certain things we truly believe in, we must stand for it, guys, and we must never compromise on our beliefs and ideals. That is what this card is about. So when we do that, when we have that self-determination, finding that purpose, we encourage the other person also to do the same. So we must be compassionate towards others, and we can listen to their beliefs or ideals, but never ever give up your convictions, your own convictions or belief. So that is what this card is about, guys. So we must be able to hold on to what we truly believe in, stand strong, stand confident, and courageous. So, that is the energy with this card. For those who chose this card, that is the reading, guys. Thank you, guys, for watching this video. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.